Hello YouTube, I'm Lego Star Soldier and I'm very happy. I just got back from the Lego store and yeah, and before I show you what I got, I'll show you these things. I put all my Star Wars minifigs on this base plate and I'm working on this awesome mini beach mock. Yeah. Second hand. Yeah. These mountains. Yeah. Now what I got? Sorry. I got another big, large, gray base plate. I have two of them, and I will try to make this without the curves and without the flags. Well, maybe not. I want to make it. Oh, a Mars mission. Not a Mars thing. I'll try to build it. Yeah. So, don't kill me. I got this mini Lego City set. It's with the Mars guy, which is awesome. Yeah. And I got this mini crater 3-in-1 Lego. A plane boat, and a boat. Yeah, so I got this. Yeah, I got, well, I didn't get anything, but I am maybe buying the Battle of Naboo soon. I don't know when. Yeah, yeah. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye.